Kailangan bantayan lahat? Anak, ikaw pa rin ba ang gumagawa ng lahat sa negosyo mo kahit na may employees ka na? Yung tipong pag umalis ka lang ng isang araw, bumagsak na ang operations? Yung pag hindi mo sinusubaybayan bawat galaw ng tao mo, may mali ka agad na mangyayari? Naku anak, I understand that feeling. Kasi after 3, 4, 5 years na tumatakbo ang negosyo mo, dumami na ang empleyado mo pero parang mas lalo ka pang napapagod. You thought that hiring people would give you freedom, di ba? Pero ano yung nangyari? You became a full-time supervisor, checking everything, answering every question, solving every problem. Parang mas marami ka pang iniisip ngayon kesa nung ikaw pa lang mag-isa. And the worst part, deep inside, natatakot ka na baka pag hindi mo sila binantayan, magkakagulo ang lahat. Here is the truth that many business owners don't realize. Micromanaging does not come from being controlling. It comes from fear. Fear that things will fail. Fear na yung standards mo hindi mamimit. Fear na mawawala yung mga customers kapag mag-let go ka. Pero anak, here is what micromanaging actually does. It exhausts you. It frustrates your employees. It slows down your business. And worst of all, nako, it stops your business from growing. Because a business can only grow as much as the owner can handle. And if the owner has to be involved in every single thing, nako, the business will always stay small. Kaya, let's be business-minded, Pinoy.